Hi, this is John Simonson, Webstream Dynamics. I want to show you how to quickly use tables to control how you can manipulate text and images and have it exactly to the right, to the left of each other, and or below each other within HTML document. So we'll begin by first clicking on, first we're going to put the cursor where we want it, and the flashing cursor is over here on the left inside the text area. Then we're going to click on the Insert Table. We are going to use the Table Wizard to make it really easy to understand how to do this. So the first thing we want to do is we can see here we have a table design, and we can control the number of columns and the number of rows. You control the columns by clicking on the plus or minus sign to the right of columns. We can have 3 columns, 4 columns. In this case, we're going to have 2 columns. You can do the same thing over here on the right with column rows. We can increase the columns or click the minus to decrease the columns. In this case, we're going to have 2 columns and 1 row. We're going to click OK. Now you can see we just have a very small table because we really didn't give it any width or height. So I'm going to click on the outside on the dotted lines around there, which give you an indication of where the table is in the 2 cells. It does not show to the viewer when they view the web page with the tables. We really have no width or height to this table. So I'm going to click here, I'm going to go here and type in 100%. So I want the width now of this entire table to be 100%. Because we have 2 columns, it's going to split the 2 columns into 50% of the width. Automatically will do that in the browser. So now I want to take the left column and I want to insert an image. So I click on the Image Manager, which will give me a listing of all the folders and images that are within the website. And I already know I want to get an image of the carpet sample board. But I know that this image might be too big, but I'm going to go ahead and use it anyway. I could use the image editor, which is on another video, and resize the image. I'm going to insert the image. So now I have in the left column, I have this image of carpet samples. In the right column, go here and type in text, but you'll see that I'm still into the left column and it's going to the right. I want it over here in this column. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say this column is 70%, which is going to force it to be way over to the right. I also want this column to have an alignment of text to the left. I want it to have a color background. So now we have a colored background of tan, light tan on the right column. We have no color background on the left column. I could put in carpet samples here. Down here I could have, we offer a great selection of carpeting in various styles and colors. Very short, simple, not a whole lot. I could go up here, say, okay, I want this as a heading. I mistyped that, carpet samples. And I could continue typing down here. See our store for details and for shop at home service. And see our store. So call our store. Okay, So now you can see how we can manipulate and create this with images using the table and making sure that the text that we want to the right of the images, or maybe we had wanted it below the images, can be controlled with table cells to keep it very nice and neat. If you want to preview what you're doing, click the preview button. You actually see what it'll look like in the browser on your website page.